Hey there, content creators. Ever feel like your videos aren't getting the views they deserve? Well, let me introduce you to InVideo, your secret weapon for creating amazing videos. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI? Really? But trust me, this isn't the robot takeover. InVideo is like having a super talented editor at your fingertips. It's packed with thousands of templates, transitions, and effects that can make your videos pop. Imagine this, you have an idea for a video, but you're stuck staring at a blank screen. InVideo, boom. You've got templates for every occasion, whether it's a vlog, a product review, or a tutorial. Just drag and drop your clips, add some text, and voila, you've got a professional-looking video in minutes. But why aren't my videos getting views? It's all about the hook. Start strong, keep it engaging, and don't forget your call to action. And hey, a little humor never hurts. People love to laugh, right? Now, are folks afraid of AI? Maybe a little. But InVideo is here to make your life easier, not take over the world. It's designed to help you create better content faster so you can focus on what you love, creating. So, if you want to build a community and get those return subscribers, give InVideo a shot, experiment, have fun, and most importantly, be yourself. The world is ready for your amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips on using AI and InVideo. See you next time.